Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're back at Anfield for another update on the seating situation. We're going to have a look at the main stand, see how far away we are from having the whole stand, having the colour back to the beautiful red. We're also going to try and drop the drone down a little bit and have a closer look at the dugout area. It's all been changed around for better access, so all the forever stones that have been replaced are replaced. These 4 new stones here are new ones in loving memory of Chris Horton, You'll Never Walk Alone. Happy 18th, Teddy McCaffrey, 08/01/2007. Happy 50th, Joe McCaffrey, 31/05/1968. And the Hoare Felt, so if I said your name right, Sweden, Forever Red. And that one over here that we saw in the wrapping, Dominic Was, Forever Loved and Missed, You Never Walk Alone. We're also going to have a look over the main stand, the tribute situation. They were all condensing down the other day, sorting through the flowers that were passed and finished with. You know, a lot of them have only got short dates on, so then just moved all the best ones all the way further down with all the other Diogo Jota tributes. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to run the intro and then we're going to get the drone up, see you up there, let's have a look at the main stand seating. And welcome back everyone, we are airborne. Bit of a damp start of the day, but we are here. We concentrate on the forever stones in the intro, we're not going to go back there now. All the stones that have been replaced have been replaced, there was quite a few. With the grass and the rest of the seating, so we'll head over there now. The pitch, he probably wouldn't have got much change back from £100,000 to be honest. I'm guessing that's how much these pitches costed. It was just over that last season, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure it was in that kind of a region. You can see where they've started on these seats now too. Just above the dugout area where the players enter the pitch, there's they're on the 4th row there. And the next segment, another 4 rows has been done, and then they're working away from the bottom on the other 3 sections as well. Now, I had a viewer who went on a tour. I'll drop down a bit. Apparently these seats on both home and away are all getting changed. Apparently for better access for the players and the substitutes. And the reason why it's all looking a bit dusty and stuff in the dugout area there is because on the inside it's getting a bit of a makeover as well. So where the wall was it red, was it? It's all getting changed apparently, so it's going to look smart, whatever LFC have got planned there. I mean, I'm thinking about, I was thinking about going on a tour there, but obviously, by the looks of it, you know, I'll be allowed onto the pitch anyway. There's too much work going on. But there is somebody down there now, isn't there? It looks like they're working on the away end area. And when I'm working as a steward, where you see the AXA there, I was probably stood on the pitch there, just further there. That was my position, pitch side. You know, you always get Virgil van Dijk and all those like walking past you, and some of them will talk to you, some of them don't. But it was fun times. Yeah, right at the end of the month is the time we check out on the night, getting replaced by Adidas. There's no groundsman on the pitch today, so he's done his magic for now. But yeah, More progress with the seating, which is looking great. Has he got a seat there he's replacing? You're looking where I am at the bottom of the stairs, there's a guy, and it looks like he's swapping a seat. Can't see any movement now, unless my eyes were deceiving me. But they are getting replaced, they're not getting blowtorched, by the looks of it. Like I said, blowtorching is just a technique, it doesn't really last that long, and they were doing that to start with, but now, a few seasons on, it's pointless. We'll climb and go over the main stand and have a look at the Diogo Jota tribute situation. A lot has been moved.
Max altitude reached.
There's still a lot down there. Yeah, it's just that section there is cleared. And you got the 3 little dedicated areas there, tributes, and obviously the top half there. Absolutely still looks beautiful, doesn't it, from here? So work is still ongoing on the seating situation. A few stewards on the top there doing something. So yeah, there's ongoing jobs going on all around Anfield still. I've seen quite a few skips about as we circle Anfield. I think it was more the other side of the SKD stand where all the skips were, so we'll just see if there's anything going on there. And then in the second video we'll go and head over, go and see the other Diogo Jota mural, which is close to completion. It's due to be finished tomorrow. Yeah, it is.
Is it up there, is it?
I'm just by the SKD stand. I was just seeing what the seating situation was with the main stand, because they're replacing all the seats.
Where's the drone now?
Over by the SKD stand now.
Is it still flying now while you're talking to me?
Yeah.
I'm amazed at it. And you're looking at the view on your screen there, yeah?
I'm looking where the camera is. I'll show you.
So there's a fella there the other week doing it today during the concert time.
Yeah, could have been me. I was
You're
filming.
over there.
Yeah, that's where I am. I was looking at the seat.
Now look, is that all live now? You could move that, right? But is your camera just hovering there across that now, your drone thing?
Yeah, I'm just hovering.
And the pitch is just dead still and everything, isn't it?
Yeah.
That like a professional drone at me.
It's a DJI Mini 4 Pro.
I haven't got a clue, like, but is that like I'm not like you just come by out the little local street shop,
Oh,
shop?
The DJI Mini 4 Pros, you pretty much fly anywhere you want, really.
That pitch is unbelievable, isn't it?
It's looking boss.
Could have used that for the concerts, could you?
Definitely.
Yeah, come on. Have a good day, mate.
You too. Sorry about that. Just had someone wanted to know about the drones and how it's looking. Yeah, you got Skip there, absolutely rammed full of rubbish. So, like I said, there's a lot of work going on still around Anfield. But it's good to see seating progress. We'll keep tracking back. Probably come Sunday next and have a quick look, see how far we've gone. But it's beautiful seeing the colour of what the seats are supposed to be. Yeah, we know red is prone to fading badly. So I'll get back, and I think we're going to end this video right there. The tribute areas for Diogo Jota are still looking really beautiful, actually. So they've just cleaned up all the ones that are the flowers that finished pretty much, and they're making it look beautiful at all times. The stewards have been really great sorting through. So don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. I'm not going to do an outro on this one. I'm just going to end it now because I've got a lot of videos to film today. Next up, we're going to go over to Leon Road. Go and have a look at Diogo Jota, Andre Silva, masterpiece by Paul Curtis. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. We'll see you soon for the next one. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.